yeah, and everything is alright. Jogger, and JC, let's go, yeah. Citywide news when I blow the ozone, I leave my mark, yeah, I'm logo loco. Got no style, I'm a polo dodo. These women want rings, but I don't know Frodo. Wake up, sit down, I ain't going to work. If I go get drowned, I'ma go in a hearse. If I don't get found, I'ma go in reverse. I could've sold this out while I was throwing the birds. So don't throw no shade when I park the Gotti. See 3 white girls tryna spark the Bobby. I be rushed up in the paint, boy, it's hard to stop me. Are you a remix or a carbon copy? Like T-Town and we partying hard now. We used to use fakes, but we buy in the bar now. 2020, I'll be up and flying the car down. My eyes roll back, what you trying to start now?
We ride around the town tonight. We feeling good, we feeling right. Do we chase the thrill, living the light? Do we stay out till the sun don't shine?
Man, this shit ain't working out, but I'm keeping my chin up. But jogger never fall, I don't even fall in love. No, I ain't complaining, that's when everyone give up. The only shot I ever see you making is bitch cup. Oh, damn, who's that dude? Everybody told me trying to do this was a bad move. I've been learning more than I would ever in a classroom. Miracle in nature, all my dogs eating cat food. Holidays, they don't feel like holidays. And I got a little money, but I got a lot of plays. I don't need to ride a wheel, I got a will to dominate. Put it on my Mickey Mantle, I'll be in a Hall of Fame. Took about 3 L's, but I live life large. Send a man up to the moon, you can't touch my stars. Everybody want clothes and like all nice cars, but I ain't sitting on a fence, I want the whole 9 yards.
We ride around the town tonight. We feeling good, we feeling right. Do we chase the thrill, living the light? Do we stay out till the sun don't shine? Lights start flashing, we go crazy. Cameras action, it's our day. See, life's attraction is JNT. Summer's back and it's us, baby. We riding round the town tonight. We feeling good, we feeling right. Do we chase the thrill, living the light? Do we stay out till the sun don't shine?
Yeah, grew up alone on the coast, yeah. Had a few friends that were close, yeah. We would cruise to Newport for the show, yeah. Long tan legs, oh you know it. Growing up in Cali really ain't a bad deal. The girls look fine and about half a real. I got my mindset on mine, she a bad chick. I wanna see if I could get her on a mattress. Said she's almost done taking all her classes, but she really doesn't care if she passes, cause she wants to go to LA, be an actress. I said that sounds about right, she needs practice. Hey, I'm just here for a good time. Had me a margarita with a little lime, and the sun's out feeling like it's summertime. Keep sipping while I listen to some Sublime.
She's looking so fine, I think she's got what I need. I'm wasting no time, want her to come into me. Should be a damn crime, most guys would need to retreat. And in the night time, I wanna feel that body.
Let's go, the West Coast is the place to be. With a little bit of honey, you attract the bees. It's the best damn thing that you've ever seen. Just trust me, take a ride down to Huntington Beach. Yeah, I'm feeling good with the drink in my hand. I lay out, man, working on a nice tan. Gotta compete with these ladies, damn. A quick scan of the sand and you'll understand. If you like it during the day, just wait till night. You hit the bars and the ladies looking out of sight. Bright lights, jeans so tight, it feels so right. Cost $20 just for a goose and Sprite, but that's alright, cause now we out living the life. Out in Cali, there's a couple thousand Mrs. Rights. Another day in the life of the sleepless nights. If you ain't never been, you gotta book a flight.
She's looking so